Hello students, today we are going to solve multiple choice questions of chapter 11 Human Eye and the Colorful World. So let's start our multiple choice questions. So our first question is the human eye forms the image of an object at its option A cornea, option B iris, option C retina, or option D pupil. So students, we know that human eye forms the image of an object at its retina. So its correct option is option C. Next question. Least distance of distinct vision of a normal eye of an adult is 25 millimeter, option B 25 centimeter, option C 25 meter, or option D none of these. So students, we know that least distance of distinct vision of a normal eye of an adult is 25 centimeter. So correct option is option B. Next question. The change in focal length of an eye lens is caused by the action of the option A pupil, option B iris, option C ciliary muscles, or option D retina. So students, we know that change in focal length of an eye lens is caused by the action of ciliary muscles. So its correct option is option C. Next question. A human eye is able to form the images of objects at different positions. This is due to option A astigmatism, option B accommodation, option C presbyopia, or option D none of these. So students, we know that human eye is able to form the images of objects at different positions. This is due to power of accommodation. So its correct option is option B accommodation. Next question. Myopic eye can be corrected by option A convex lens, option B cylindrical lens, option C concave lens, or option B bifocal lenses. So students, we know that myopic eye can be corrected by using concave lenses. So its correct option is option C concave lens. Next question. The magnification of a magnifying lens of focal length 5 centimeter is option A 1, option B 2, option 3, option C 3, or option D 5. So students, the magnification of a magnifying lens of focal length 5 centimeter will be option D 5. So correct option is option D 5. Next question. A white light falls on the glass prism. The least deviated color is option A violet, option B orange, option C yellow, or option D red. So students, we know that when white light falls on the glass prism, the least deviated color is red. So its correct option is option D. Next question. Blue color of sky is due to option A dispersion of light, option B scattering of light, option C reflection of light, or option D refraction of light. So students, we know that blue color of sky is due to scattering of light. So its correct option is option B. Next question. Convex lens of stable focal length can correct short sightedness, long sightedness, presbyopia, or astigmatism. So, students, we know that convex lens of suitable focal length can correct long sightedness. So its correct option is option B. Next question. The focal length of an eye is controlled by option A iris, option B cornea, option C ciliary muscles, or option D optic nerve. So students, we know that focal length of an eye is controlled by ciliary muscles. So its correct option is option C, ciliary muscles. Rainbow is formed due to option A reflection and dispersion of light through a water droplet, option B refraction, reflection and dispersion of light through a water droplet, option C only dispersion of light, or option D only refraction of light. So students, we know that rainbow is formed due to refraction, reflection and dispersion of light through a water droplet. So its correct option is option B. Next question. Which of the following colors has the least wavelength? Option A red, option B blue, option C orange, or option D violet. So students, we know that which color has the least wavelength. So its correct option is option D violet. Next question. The color which deviates the most while passing through a glass prism is option A red, option B blue, option C orange, or option D violet. So students, its correct option is option D violet color. Violet color deviates the most while passing through a glass prism. Next question. Near point of an eye suffering from long sightedness is 25 centimeter, less than 25 centimeter, option C greater than 25 centimeter, or option D at infinity. So students, we know that near point of an eye suffering from long sightedness is greater than 25 centimeter. So its correct option is option C. Next question. Splitting of white light into 7 colors is known as dispersion, option B interference, option C reflection, or option D refraction. So students, we know that splitting of white light into 7 colors is known as dispersion of light. So its correct option is option A dispersion. Next question. The near point of a hypermetropic person is 50 centimeter. The focal length of convex lens used in spectacles should be 25 centimeter, option B 30 centimeter, option C 40 centimeter, or option D 50 centimeter. So students, we know that if the near point of a hypermetropic person is 50 centimeter, then the focal length of convex lens used in spectacles should be 25 centimeter. Option A. Next question. A simple microscope consists of convex lens of large focal length, option B convex lens of small focal length, option C concave lens of large focal length, or option D concave lens of small focal length. So students, we know that a simple microscope consists of convex lens of small focal length. Option B is correct answer. Next question. Choose the correct definition of prism. Option A, it is an equilateral triangle. Option B, its one angle must be 90 degree. Option C, the refracting surfaces must be inclined to each other. Or option D, none. So correct definition of prism is the refracting surfaces must be inclined to each other. So correct option is option C. Next question. The colors in the spectrum of white light is in the order of option A, VIG, BYR, VIGBOR. Option B, VIBGYOR. Option C, VIBGYBOR. Or option D, VIBGYRO. So students, its correct option is VIBGYOR. VIBGYOR. So its correct option is option B. Next question. Among the following, which part of spectrum of white light produces maximum visibility? Option A, red. Option B, yellow green. Option C, blue. Or option D, violet. So students, we know that which part of white light produces maximum visibility. So its correct option is option B, yellow green part. Next question. The color of light which is deviated the most by a prism in the spectrum of white light is option A, red. Option B, green. Option C, blue. Or option D, violet. So students, color of light which is deviated the most by a prism in the spectrum of white light is, so its correct option is violet. So correct option is option D, violet. Next question. The term accommodation as applied to the eye refers to its ability to option A, control the light intensity falling on the retina. Option B, erect the inverted image formed on the retina. Option C, adjust the focal length of the lens. Or option D, vary the distance between the lens and retina. So students, the term accommodation is applied to the eye. It refers to its ability to adjust the focal length of the lens. So option C is the correct option. Next question. Which part of an eye can be donated after death? Option A, pupil. Option B, iris. Option C, cornea. Or option D, retina. So students, we know that after death, which part of eye can be donated? So its correct option is option C, cornea. Next question. Where is the image formed in an eye suffering from myopia? Option A, behind retina. Option B, before retina. Option C, on retina. Or option D, none. So students, we know that the image formed in an eye suffering from myopia is before retina. So its correct option is option B. Next question. What happens to the pupil when eye faces bright light? Size of pupil increases. Option B, size of pupil decreases. Option C, no change. Or option D, none of these. So students, we know that the pupil, when eye faces bright light, then the size of the pupil decreases. So its correct option is option B, size of pupil decreases. Next question. Yes, next question. A human eye which can see distant objects clearly but cannot see the near objects clearly is said to be suffering from which defect? Option A, hypermetropia. Option B, myopia. Option C, presbyopia. Or option D, none of these. So students, we know that when we can see distant objects clearly but cannot see the nearby objects clearly, then we are suffering from which defect? So its correct option is hypermetropia. Option A is the correct answer. Next question. Near and far points of a young person, normal eye respectively are 0 and infinity. Option B, 0 and 25 centimeter. Option C, 25 centimeter and infinity. Or option D, 25 centimeter and 150 centimeter. So students, we know that near and far points of a young person normal eye respectively are 25 centimeter and infinity. Option C is the correct option. Next question. Figure A, B, C respectively indicate the point in case of. Yes, students, in figure 1, we see that it is a normal eye. Figure B, it is hypermetropic eye. And figure C, it is myopic eye. So among all these options, let's see which is correct option. Number 1, it is A. A is, we see that it is a normal eye. So B and C, they show that first is the normal eye. Now B is hypermetropic eye. So option C is correct, that the A is the normal eye, B is the hypermetropia eye, and C is myopic eye. So its correct option is option C. Next question. At noon, the sun appears white as blue color is scattered the most. Option B, red color is scattered the most. Option C, light is least scattered. Or option D, all the colors of the white light are scattered away. So students, we know that at noon, the sun appears white as light is least scattered. So its correct option is option C. Next question. With both eyes open, a person's field of view is about 90 degree, 150 degree, 180 degree or 360 degree. So students, we know that with both eyes open, a person's field of view is about 180 degree. So its correct option is option C. So students, today we have solved important multiple choice questions of chapter Human Eye and the Colorful World. So in our next video, we will solve important multiple choice questions of chapter Electricity. So thanks for watching our video.